Hi, I'm Morna, founder of Incandescent Clothing. Welcome to today's episode of the Daily Try-Ons. Today's episode features the petite powerhouse Nichole. So buckle up and get ready for your daily dose of fashion that's sure to take your style to the next level.
Okay, if you have been following along for a while, you know that I don't like pants. I hate pants. But now I kind of like them, so I don't know. I'm very conflicted. I'm not a Robel girly, but these Robel capris are so comfortable that I think I might have to actually buy a pair. They are super comfortable. These are the black Robel capri. I can't remember if they're the Marie or the Bella, but we'll definitely let you know. They do come in two other colors as well, and they're super comfortable. If I was hyper like little Sarah Birch, I might like kick the air, but I cannot. Also have this really sweet little eyelet top on in this great green. I feel like green is making a comeback. I've got a couple pieces in the store that are just really bright, rich, vibrant greens, and kind of loving it. What do we think? Okay, if you have not been in to try on the Franza brand, you need to bring your body here ASAP because it is amazing. The quality is fantastic. The material is so buttery soft. And you know, when we tell you it's buttery, we mean that it is buttery. I have these pants myself. I have these as a pant myself. I absolutely love them. So when they came in as a short, you know, we jumped right on board. I do find generally with shorts, because I've got these thick little thighs, that most things want to ride up. However, I've been walking around the store for a few minutes and they have stayed in place, which is amazing. I do find the inseam for myself is a little bit long because I am petite, but again, not something that I couldn't have tailored or have just a little hem put in to better suit the length of my inseam, paired with this great Zanzibar blazer. The blazer is available in black as well. It is so nice. It's so soft. And then this is my first time putting on one of these great little tanks. I believe it is called the Liza tank. I know a couple of the girls have tried them on and it looks fantastic on them. It's not a color I generally go for, but I think it looks really fantastic with the navy blue. It's just a really great polished look, but I could definitely take all three pieces and put them with other things in my wardrobe, as well as finding other things in the store that they would pair perfectly with as well. I don't know about any of you lovely people, but I know when I have a day off, I love to be in my comfies, but I also really like to look good because you never know, those quick trips to the grocery store, quick errands. For me, it's picking up my kids from school. I still have to look nice, but I want to be comfortable. This sort of just like checks all the boxes for me. This is the Habitat set. They are sold separately. They are super, super comfortable. The material is amazing. Amazing. It's got some great pockets and a nice little hood. Just paired with one of these, I believe it's the Marcia tee from Soy Concept. We have those available in a couple of different colors in the store. They're so soft. You're going to definitely want to grab a couple when you come in because they're going to be staples in your wardrobe. If you love these pants as much as I do, and this lovely cozy cardigan, come in and give them a try on and add them to your closet. If you come in and ask me, what is your favorite lounge set? I'm going to tell you it is the Banu joggers and the Banu sweater. This is 100% viscose from Soy Concept. It is stunning. The material is stunning. It is so soft and it wears so well. I'm absolutely obsessed. We do have these in a couple of different colors. They tend to go pretty fast. So if you want one for yourself, you're going to want to come in and snatch those up real quick. This is definitely going to be at the top of my list for any traveling or just sort of casual days where I still want to look cute, throw on my little jacket, my little sneakers, and away I go. Okay, let's talk pencil skirts. So I feel like everybody should have a pencil skirt in their wardrobe. I know if you've got like a little bit of a tum going on, sometimes it can be a little bit clingy. I know for me, that's still a little bit of an insecurity. So with this Sorbel pencil skirt, I just sized up to the neck size. It still fits really well in the waist. It just has a little bit a looser material here. So it still gives a nice shape as a pencil skirt would, but I don't feel like it is as clingy on my tummy, and it's not something that's going to bother me throughout the day. I also pulled one of these great cotton blouses from Franza. I believe this is the Edith blouse. This is like an off-white blouse, and it also comes in a green, which I'm sure you'll see on somebody else. But I just think this is a nice on-the-go outfit. It's perfect for the office. Again, separate the pieces. You could like knot the top up a little bit if you wanted to for something else. If you're wearing shorts or something like that, maybe a skirt. But I like the pencil skirt is a piece that is going to be versatile. I can wear it with sneakers. I can wear my denim jacket, because you know I love my white sneakers and my denim jacket. They'll all be a suggestion for how you can take a piece of clothing from something super dressy to something super casual. You need to come in and try these skirts on. They are wonderful. I don't think I told you the name. They're the Christie. It's like a seersucker material. And I have them in black and in the navy. You're going to go on to come and try her on.
Don't forget to subscribe and follow for more great fashion content every day.